Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see 3 tips for Claude Code. Right here is the Claude Code section and we'll go over to 3 main tips to improve your workflow and best practice. The first tip is to start updating the memory of each chat with your current project. For example, if I'm working on this project right here, once it provides all the info, I need to ask it to save and update that information within the project context. This allows Claude to analyze and remember everything for the future, which is super helpful if we need to make change or replicate the logic elsewhere. The second tip is to always plan out your projects first. The goal here is that if we run into a bug, we'll know exactly where it happened or which part of the logic failed. It's also great to preventing errors in the first place, especially those caused by human oversight. By planning the project like the comments I'm showing here, you stay organized and minimize the risk. The final tip is to use the routine section. These are very important if you want to set up automated tasks with triggers to perform specific activities within Claude. As a bonus, we have the customization area. Here we can tailor the experience by connecting apps or creating new skills. These connectors allow us to configure Claude Code projects to our specific needs, making them incredibly useful for programming and development. And that's all for this video.